Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present the result of my interview about job and responsibility of an accurate trainer. This presentation is based on interview with an accurate trainer who has been working in this field for almost 5 years. Okay, now we're gonna talking about reason why I'm choosing this topic. I chose this topic because I believe that responsibility is a key part of real working life, not just a theory. This topic is relevant for students, especially as preparation before entering the professional world. I focus on the role of an accurate trainer because this job carries a high level of responsibility, especially in handling real business and financial data. And through this topic, I want to show that responsibility work is not only about doing tasks but also about accuracy, accountability, and trust. Okay, before we move on to the result of my interview, let me introduce our key informant. Her name is Fatma Zahra. She is an accurate trainer with almost 5 years of professional experience. In her role, she doesn't work with the same routine or the same people every day. Instead, she meets different clients daily, coming from various business sectors, each with unique financial system and challenge. This means she is directly responsible for handling real business financial data across different industry, from small business to more complex operation. And what makes her role even more impactful is her direct involvement in the field. She analyzes real-time problems, identify issues in accounting and financial process, and provides practical solution to each client actual business condition. Through this hands-on experience, her role goes beyond teaching software. It requires accuracy, adaptability, and a high level of responsibility because every decision and solution directly affect the client's financial reporting and business decision. Okay, on this slide, we can see the responsibility of an accurate trainer. First, her main responsibility is working directly with clients from different business backgrounds. Every client comes from a different industry, which means different financial system and challenge. She is not only responsible for training clients to use accurate software, but also for explaining the accounting logic behind it, so clients truly understand how their financial process work. However, there are responsibilities that people often don't realize. An accurate trainer must understand the client's business workflow in depth, translate complex accounting concept into practical solution, and adjust explanation based on each client's level of understanding. Okay, now we go to the next slide. This slide shows the main challenge faced by an accurate trainer. One of the biggest challenge is dealing with clients who have different personality and different levels of accounting knowledge. Some clients understand accounting well, while others are completely new to it. And another challenge is explaining complex accounting concepts in a simple and clear way while handling real business data that must be accurate. Any small mistake can affect the client's financial report. In addition, an accurate trainer must stay calm when clients feel confused or frustrated, manage time efficiently while handling several clients at once, and take full responsibility when mistakes happen by fixing them quickly. This challenge showed that this job requires not only technical skill but also patience, communication skills, and a strong sense of responsibility. The skills needed for a job with high responsibility, like an accurate trainer. First, strong analytical skills are very important because trainers deal with the real business data and real problems every day. And then communication skills are also crucial since they need to explain complex accounting concepts in a simple and understandable way to clients with different backgrounds. Accuracy and attention to detail are a must because even small mistake in financial data can lead to serious impact on business decision. In addition, this job requires a strong sense of responsibility, a professional attitude when facing challenge, and a willingness to keep learning as system and business needs continue to change. And maybe this one will gonna my last slide. This one represent my personal reflection after conducting the interview. From this interview, I very realized that responsibility is not only about finishing tasks, but also about being careful, consistent, and detail oriented, especially when working with financial data. Even a small mistake can have a very big impact on a business decision, which is why accuracy and professionalism are very important. I also learned about taking responsibility helps build trust with clients and requires patience, particularly when clients feel confused or face difficulties. But overall, this role showed that responsibility is not just a personal value, but something that can directly affect a company's success. And through this interview, I learned that responsibility directly affects business operation and decision making. I hope this presentation give a clear understanding of a job responsibility in the professional world. Thank you very much for your attention.
Okay, before we starting the interview, I would like to say thanks for Kara for being willing to share your time and your experience with me today. Your insight will be very valuable for me. I would like to introduce Kara. She is a Kira trainer who has been working in this field for almost 5 years. In her role, Kara is responsible for visiting clients, training them to use accurate software, assisting with accounting process such as journaling, bookkeeping, troubleshooting, and data issues. Through this interview, I would like to gain a deeper insight into the job and responsibility of an accurate trainer, especially in handling real business and data clients. Okay, let's go to the first question. Maybe this is the basic one. Okay, Kara, can you describe your role as an accurate trainer in one typical workday and what responsibility take most of your energy?
Okay, in a typical work day, I work directly with clients by visiting different locations and handling various cases to help them implement accurate in their daily operation. The responsibility that takes most of my energy is make sure that not only know how to use the system, but also fully understand the accounting logic behind it.
Okay. And then beside teaching software and accounting feature, may I know what the responsibility do people usually don't realize that are part of your job?
Many people don't realize that my role also involves understanding the client's business workflow. So I need to translate technical accounting concept into practical solution that match how their business actually runs.
Oh, okay, I got the point. And the next, I would ask when client are confused or get stressed, maybe with accounting problem. How do you decide what to prioritize first during the troubleshoot?
I start with the problem that has the biggest impact on the business. While solving it, I communicate clearly to keep the client calm.
Oh, okay, okay. And the next question is, in your experience, which is more challenging, mastering the software itself or handling different client personality? And can you tell me the reason why?
I think handling different client personalities is more challenging because each client has a different level of accounting knowledge and expectation. Adapting my communication style is essential to ensure effective learning.
Okay. And the next is, can you share a moment when you felt your responsibility as a trainer is truly impact a client business?
After a training session, a client was able to generate accurate financial report for the first time, and this helped them understand their cash flow better and make more informed business decisions.
Okay, now maybe we can start with. Sorry. I mean, the next question, maybe we can talk about mistake and accountability. Okay, Kara, have you ever made a mistake while training or assisting a client, and how did you take the responsibility and to solve it?
Mistakes, yes, mistakes are normal, especially when dealing with real case. And when it happened, I take responsibility by informing the client right away, fixing the issue.
Okay. Uh, And then how has this job changed the way you see responsibility, especially when working with the real business data, Kara?
This role has taught me that responsibility means being detail oriented and consistent because the accuracy of the data directly affects a client's business decisions.
Okay, maybe this one gonna be my last question. What skill should student prepare if they want to work in a role with high responsibility like yours?
Students should develop strong analytical skills, good communication, and strong sense of responsibility when working with financial data, because it's crucial if we
Uh,
are talking about data and accuracy.
Okay, I got the point, Kara. Okay, maybe that was the last question. Thank you so much, Kara, for your time and for sharing your experience with me. I truly appreciate it from this interview. I learned that being an accurate trainer is not only about teaching software, yeah, but also about talking responsibility, solving problems, and building long-term trust with clients.
Yes, correctly.
Okay, maybe that's all, Kara. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Udah, arigatou gozaimasu.